Art Society 1 Fulani aesthetic bracelets, earrings, necklaces, rings, beads, leather gree-gree, amulets, knife handles, and sandals are decorated with geometric designs that reflect Fulani symbolism. Objects are tinted in bright colors of red, yellow, or white and green, and often feature long fringes. Some of the designs are cross-ethnic. The zigzag bordered by parallel lines, for instance, is shared by Fulani and Dogons alike. Fulani aesthetic expression is, with exceptions, inscribed on objects or sites of an ephemeral nature. Above all, Fulani people are known for their mastery of verbal art expressed in song and poetry. They are also renowned for their elaborate art of body adornment. Men and women alike are fond of tattooing. They wear amulets, lohol, as both protective and decorative elements. Women wear heavy twisted gold earrings, dibi, gold necklaces, kaka, and copper or white metal bracelets, round or open with bulging extremities, and delicately engraved with dotted lines. Blacksmiths used to make heavy and thick anklets that gave young Wadabi women a cow-like step, much appreciated in this herders' culture. Women from other Fulani groups wore copper or brass leg ornaments or anklets made by the lost wax casting process. These rings might once have served as currency. Men's clothing includes a conical herdsman hat in red, black, and natural color made of woven raffia and leather, with geometric design in the form of a cross, complete with a prominent button, the mount of the world. Men also wear leather or baggy fabric pants, and use woven blankets with geometric patterns. Wadabi people are famous for organizing male beauty contests, known as yaki or garwal. Fulani women also specialize in the decoration of calabashes and wooden bowls, laal kosam. The Fulani people have a rich heritage of crafts, including textiles, wood carving, and mud architecture. Body adornment and hair decoration stand out among the people's most distinctive arts. Art and Society 2 hair decoration gourds or calabashes, whether decorated or not, basically fulfill practical functions in the daily activities of the Fulani family. Cut into containers of various shapes and sizes, they are used for serving foods and drinks, for milking cattle, and are carriers' vessels. However, the decorated ones have additional value. They are highly prized objects of prestigious and aesthetic value. Used as containers for food and